Now we are going to discuss electric power. Here, what is power? Power definition is rate of doing work. Rate of doing work. So, mathematical principle for power, P equal to W by T. P equal to W by T. Here W stands for work, T stands for time. So P equal to W by T means the rate of doing work. Units of power, units is the work unit or work units are joules. Okay, work unit is joules. Time units are seconds. That means joule per seconds. So 1 joule per second equal to 1 watt. We will designate it with W. Watt, W. That is honor of scientist. Okay, honor of scientist. So that's why we will take capital W. This is about the power. Sir, what is electric power? What is electric power means the work done by the electrical appliances. In our house, we will use electric heater, refrigerators and ACs and ovens. We are using different kinds of electrical appliances. So how much work they done? That means how much electrical, these are all the things. Heater, if for example, if you will take a electric heater can uses the electrical energy and it converts into the heat energy. So here electrical energy is converted into the heat energy. So how much heat energy is releases? So how much power it shows, that we are going to find. Okay, very simple. For example, this is the electric conductor from A to B. Length is A to B. One Q charge but traveled or flows from A to B. To bring the Q charge from A to B, we have to, there the electrical energy can do some work. So that work is considered as potential difference. We discussed the potential difference. What is potential difference? Potential difference means the work done to bring a unit charge from A to B. And we have a principle also, V equal to W by Q. V equal to W by Q, work. So here I want this work, then W equal to V Q. W equal to V Q. So here this work, this W work I am going to introduce in this right instead of the work. So see here. So here power principle, P equal to W by T. So P equal to W equal to V by Q, VQ by T. VQ by T. Here I have to see it. Q by T. So Q by T stands for Q by T. That's equal to current. Right. So P equal to V I. This is the mathematical principle. We use it to find the power of electrical appliances. When knows about the potential difference and electric current. P equal to VI. When we know the potential difference and I. Right? Sir, instead of I will write I and R by using the principle Ohm's law principle. V equal to IR. V equal to IR. Here I am going to write IR instead of this IR. I will write here. Okay. Then you can take it as IR. So IR. Okay. Then P equal to V equal to IR. So I into IR. Already I is there, instead of E I will write. So P equal to I square by R. P equal to I square by I square R. Sorry. P equal to I square R. This principle also used to find the power when we knows the current and resistance of a electrical appliances. When we knows the current and resistor. From the same principle, from the V equal to IR, we will write like this also. I equal to V by R. I equal to V by R. So same principle I will use here. So P equal to V. Instead of I will write V by R. This. Okay. So into V by R. That means P equal to V square by R. This is also we can use to find the power when we knows the potential difference and resistor. Potential difference and resistor. So these are the three principles to find the power. When we know the potential difference and current, we use P equal to VI principle, and when we will use when we know the I and current and resistor, then we use P equal to I square R principle, and if we know the potential difference and resistor, we will use P equal to IR. So these are the principles. So what are the units? What is the units? Okay, power units are what? Okay, so larger units are what? Is kilowatt. Kilowatt. Right? Kilowatt, megawatt. So it's a science. Sir, what kilowatt equal to how many joules per second? So kilowatt, kilo equal to 1000 joules per second. Watt equal to joule per second? 1000 joules per second. Here, sir, in electrical appliances, or in our electrical bill, monthly electrical bill, he will calculate the power consumed by our electrical appliances in the form of kilowatt hour. He will give kilowatt hour. That means kilowatt hour. kWh. kWh. Sir, 1 kilowatt hour equal to how many joules, sir? Very important question. 1 kilowatt hour equal to how many joules, sir? You will get for 1 mark. So here we are going to convert. Kilo means 1000, right? Watt means joule per second, right? Kilo means joules per second into hour. Seconds, no? We have to convert hours into seconds. So 60 into 60 seconds, right? So that's equal to 1000 into 6 6 36, 3600 into joule per second into second. Let's cancel. So here 36, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 joules. or we will write like this. So that 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules, 10 to the power of 6 joules. So therefore 1 kilowatt hour equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. Very very important value you will get for 1 mark or half mark question in 10th class examination point of view. Okay, thank you.